hebt, want nu kunnen we meer ons eigen eten meebrengen. Dus we zijn niet beperkt in de keuzes voor de kantine. En ja, dat is goedkoper.
Zeker als je kijkt naar de prijzen in de kantine, die ja, zeker voor studenten niet te betalen zijn.
I think it's great that there's competition for the cantina downstairs. Because there have been some protests against the prices there and the quality of the food.
We love it.
It's a good initiative. Yeah.
It's cheap, nice, easy.
Especially the microwave is awesome.
We discussed a lot of times
Yeah.
about food in general at school. At the school.
We think that the canteen's a bit too expensive and it doesn't offer the kind of like simple things that students need.
So yeah, I think it's great. It's good. And if it really works, then this is really something to push.
We love it. Amazing. I don't have any money, so...
Woo!